I'm taking video of him. Hi, Bales. Hi, buddy. What do you got? You want me to throw your ball? Uh-oh.
Can I throw it?
Wait, it went under the house. Hun, can you get it? See, it's right here. Oh, Paul. Hun. Okay, we're going to get it. We're going to get it. Can you come on this side? There you go. Okay, now throw it for him. He wants you to throw it.
No.
They both love the snow, don't they?
Whoa.
Come here. Oh, you're not going to give it to me.
Look at him. Oh.
I know, he loves it. Okay, Bells, go play. Go play.